Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty, compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.